Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Aptitude Talks. Hope all of you preparing well. Let's get started. First of all, my dear friends, thank you very much for being here in our YouTube channel. I have started a new series that is called Target MNC series. This series is very much helpful for all placement examinations like TCS NQT, TCS Ninja, Infosys, Wipro, Amazon, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, all placement examinations. This series is very much useful to you, so please follow this series. You can find these videos in our YouTube channel playlist placement placement aptitude placement aptitude. In this playlist you can find out this target MNC series. Now in this video I am going to start a new topic, simple interest. So many students asked me to start a simple interest topic, so on demand of students I am going to start the topic simple interest class 1. Here next, what is simple interest? Simple interest this is one of the most important topic in aptitude. We can expect one question, either it may be competitive examinations or it may be placement examinations. Here simple interest can calculate in two ways. One is general formula method and next one is percentage method. We should know these two methods because some of problems we can solve only through formula method, some questions we can solve easily through percentage method. So in this video I can explain both two methods, how to solve the problems by using formula and how to solve the problems by using percentage method. General formula simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. Here P is equal to principal. P is equal to principal. Principal is nothing but I borrowed some money from the bank or my dear friend. So borrowing money is nothing but principal, and T is time period. Time period, it should be in years. Please observe one thing, time period should be in one years. For example, in the question you can ask like that 6 months. So in this 6 months we can convert it into years. So next, rate of interest is R is equal to rate of interest per annum. Rate of interest per annum. Here also you can observe one thing, rate of interest should be in per annum. For example, some questions ask like that, rate of interest is 4% per quarter. We can convert this per quarter into per annum. We have to observe these 2 points. We don't take care about principal. We can notice these 2 points. Time period should be in years and rate of interest should be in per annum. Next, A is equal to amount. A is equal to amount. In this amount is nothing but combination of principal and simple interest. Principal plus simple interest. We can also another formula directly find out the amount. Amount is equal to P into 1 plus RT by 100. Simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. If you want to find the only simple interest, you can use this formula PTR by 100. If you want to find out the amount, you can use the formula P into 1 plus RT by 100. Amount is nothing but principal plus simple interest. This is the basic point. Next, in this video, how can solve the basic simple interest question. For example, I have borrowed some money from the bank, that is 10,000 rupees. I borrowed some money from the bank. Borrowed means principal. Bank will charge some rate of interest. R is equal to 10% per annum for certain period. So time period is equal to 2 years. Okay, first you need to understand one point, rate of interest should be in per annum and time period should be in years. If it is not given here, we can convert these values into according to the formula. Here this is one of the most important point, simple interest will always calculated on principal. Simple interest will always calculated on principal. For 1 year simple interest, what is the first year simple interest? Rate of interest is 10% per annum. So principal is 10,000 rupees. In 10,000 rupees 10% is 1,000 rupees. First year simple interest is 1,000 rupees. In the same time second year also, every time we find out the simple interest on principal is 10,000 rupees. Again rate of interest is 10% per annum. Out of 10,000 10% is 1,000 rupees. We can observe one thing here. We can observe one point. First year simple interest is 1,000 rupees and second year simple interest also 1,000 rupees. Here simple interest every year same. Simple interest every year is same. Next point, so 2 years simple interest is 2,000 rupees. 2 years simple interest is 2,000 rupees. After 2 years we will pay the bank how much amount? 10,000 plus 2,000 rupees. So total amount is 12,000 rupees. Total amount is nothing but amount. In this amount we can add principal to simple interest. You can say total amount or overall amount or maturity amount. Now we are going to learn by seeing the question how to convert into the numbers and how to substitute the values in formula. Students are generally making a mistake without seeing the formula. All the values are directly given in the question, but our target is to substitute the values in the formula in a right way. For example, principal is 2,000 rupees, time period is 2 years, rate of interest is 10% per annum. Always one thing we need to remember, that we need to don't care about principal. We should always target time period and rate of interest. Time period must be in years, rate of interest is must be in per annum. These 2 points we should remember. So simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. Instead of P we can directly substitute the value 2,000. Next, instead of T you can directly substitute the value 2 years, because you no need to convert, because value already given in the year 2. Next, rate of interest also given per annum. You no need to convert, directly substitute the value 10% in place of, or 10% by 100 rupees. 10 cancellation 100 10 times is 0 cancel. 2,000 into 200 into 2, that is equal to 400 rupees. Next, another problem. Principal is 4,000 rupees. Time period is 6 months. Time period is 6 months. Rate of interest is 10% per annum. Here you no need to take care of about principal. Time period must be in years. Rate of interest must be in per annum. Here we can observe one thing. Time period is in months. We should convert this months into year. That is equal to 1 by 2 years. You can directly substitute the value P in place of P 4,000, and we can directly substitute our rate of interest 10% per annum, because rate of interest is in per annum into 10. Time period is 1 year. 1 by 2 into 100, 10 times 0 cancel out, and 400 by 2 is 200. So our answer is 200. We need to remember 2 points. Time period must be in years, rate of interest must be in per annum. For example, principal is equal to 4,000, rate of interest is 4% per half yearly. Time period is 2 years. Here principal is, you don't need to take care about that. Rate of interest is 4% per half yearly. we should convert into year wise. So half year, that means 6 months, for every 6 months we take 4% rate of interest. 1 year means 12 months, we can take 8% rate of interest. Rate of interest is 8%, time period is 2 years. So formula is PTR by 100. PTR by 100, P is 4000 and rate of interest is 4%, 8%, and time period is 2 by 100. 2 zeros cancel out. 4 8s are 32. 32 2s are 64. 640 is our answer. Another problem. Principal is 1000 rupees. Rate of interest is 2%. Time period is 73 days. Here we can observe one thing. Principal, we don't take care about it. Rate of interest is per annum. You no need to convert this one. Time period is 73 days. We should convert these days into year. So how can you convert these days? Per year we have 365 days. That means 73 by 365. 73 cancel out by 5 times 1 by 5 years. So the principal is 1000 and rate of interest is 2%. 1 by 5 into 100, 2 zeros cancel out. 10 by 5, that means 2 times it cancel out. 2 2s are 4 is our simple interest. We should know how to convert given value in the question according to the formula. Next, how to solve the problems in percentage method. Here principal is 1000 rupees, rate of interest is 10% per annum, time period is 2 years. Simple interest is every year same. For example, we don't know the principal. In terms of percentage, we can assume it as 100%. Simple interest every year same. Per 1 year 10% per annum. 1 year simple interest is 10%. For 2 years simple interest is 20%. For example, 20% per annum. Time period is 3 years. For 1 year it is 20%. For 3 years it is 60%. 5% per annum. For 1 year it is simple interest 5%. For 2 years is 10%. 10% per annum. For 4 years is what is the simple interest? Here 1 year simple interest is 10%. 4 years simple interest is 40%. We can simply multiply with the number of years. So what is the amount? Amount is the sum of principal and simple interest. So 100 plus 20, 120%. For example, we don't know the principal. Then assume it as 100%. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. Time period is 2 years. For 1 year, we can take the interest 5%. For 2 years, 5 into 2, 10%. Amount is 100 plus 10, that is 110%. Principal is 100%. 25% per annum. For 2 years is what is the simple interest? 1 year it is 25%. For 2 years 50%. Amount is 150%. Here how to solve the problems? By using the percentage method. One point you should remember that 1000 rupees I want to find 10%. How can you find out the 10%? You can just put the point from the right side, 1 point. After 1 point we can just put a point. What is the value? 100. Here 200 rupees. What is the 10%? Just put a point from the right side, 20 rupees. For 10%, 20 rupees. For example, 40. What is the value of 10%? Just put a right side a point from 1. 4 is the 10%. Okay, 10%. What is the 1%? How to calculate 1%? After 2 numbers from the right side. After 2 numbers. This is. So 1% is 10 rupees. For example, 400 rupees. What is the 1%? From the right side, 2 points. After 2 points, you can mark a point. 1% is 4. In this way we can calculate easily simple interest problems. For example, principal is 1000 rupees. We assume principal is 100%. So what is the principal is given here? 1000 rupees. And simple interest per 1 year 10%, for 2 years is 20%. We need to find out the value of 20%. 100 is cancelled by how many times? 10 times. Cross multiply 20 into 10 is 200 rupees. I can solve some more problems. Principal is 2000 rupees. Rate of interest is 5% per annum. Time period is 2 years. Find out the simple interest. We can solve by using two methods. First, a general method, PTR by 100. PTR by 100. P means 2000 rupees. You can observe one thing. You can focus 2 points. Rate of interest should be in per annum. Time period should be in years. Okay, no need to change the values. Time period is 2 years and rate of interest is 5 by 100. 2 zeros, 2 years cancel out. 20 into 2, 40. 45 is 200. So many calculations here. Without doing any calculation, how to solve the simple interest problems? By using percentage method. Here principal 100%. In the problem, principal is 2000 rupees. So 1 year rate of interest is 5%. For 2 years, simple interest is 10%. How many times it will cancel out? 20 times. 20 into 10, that is 200 rupees. For example, principal is 4000 rupees. Rate of interest is 25% per annum. Time period is 2 years. So principal 100%. In the problem, principal is given as 4000 rupees. What is the simple interest in terms of percentage? Per year it is 25%. 2 years it is 50%. That means half of the amount. 4000. 100% is 4000. What is the half of the amount? 4000 half? 2000 rupees. We can solve very easily using percentage method. For example, principal is 5000 rupees. Rate of interest is 15%. Time period is 2 years. We can assume in terms of percentage, principal is 100%. What principal is given in the problem? 5000 rupees. So simple interest per year is 15%. For 2 years is 30%. 30%. If 2 zeros, 2 is cancelled out and cross multiply with 50 into 30, that is 1500. In this video, we have learned what is simple interest and how to solve the simple interest in two ways, by using formula method and by using percentage method, and also learn two major formulas of simple interest, how to find out the simple interest and how to find out the amount. Finally, learn some important points, how to convert the given value in the question according to the formula. That means, for example, time period is 6 months. We have to change it in year wise. Hope you enjoy the session very much. Thank you. Thank you for watching.